up, guys? Your host Paul from Suds. Today we're at Tree House Brewing Co. having a new adventure. Tree House Brewing Co. was started in 2012 by Nate, Dean, and Damien in Charlton, Massachusetts. In 2016, Beer Advocate gave these guys the award of having the best IPA, Orange Julius. 2019, Forbes gave them the award of being one of the 100 top breweries in the world. They don't distribute. You can't go to your local tap house. You can't go to your local liquor store to pick up any other beers. It's on-site only Tuesday through Saturday, and they might run out well before that. They're real lenient on how much you take home, though. All right, look, I really gotta build this tree house. There's too many of these beers. They're too amazing and too much to get through right now. Follow me on Instagram for each individual pop. Cheers to you. Cheers to Tree House Brewing Co. Follow us for more adventures. Thanks, guys.